welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make ebi gyoza. Regular pork gyoza is delicious already, but ebi gyoza or shrimp gyoza is even better. And it's as easy as pork gyoza to make. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I built a menu with ebi gyoza too, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. These are what you need. 300 gram shrimp, 100 gram ground pork, 1/4 small cabbage, some Chinese chive or regular chive, gyoza wrapper, I have 50 today, 1 tablespoon each of grated garlic and grated ginger, 1 tablespoon potato starch or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon sesame oil and some salt and pepper. Today, shrimp to pork is 3 to 1, but you can do it 2 to 1 or 1 to 1, whatever you like. Let's cut the vegetables first. The Chinese chive, let's cut the end off because it's dried out a little bit. Cut it in half, put them together, cut them in half, put them together, and then slice thinly. Now let's put this in the bowl. And cabbage, let's cut the core off. You want to chop this into about the same size with the chive. So take some leaves, press it down, slice thinly. Turn it around and chop into small pieces. Like this, and let's put it in the bowl. The rest of the cabbage too. And all into the bowl. Put about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. And leave this for about 10 minutes to bring out the moisture. Now, shrimp. Let's remove the shell and devein them. So you just need to remove the shell. And to devein, put a toothpick at the back side of the shrimp and gently pull it up. And you can pull the vein out like this. All deveined, so let's rinse and dry. Pat with a paper towel to dry. I'm going to cut them into small pieces, and you can do the job using food processor, but you can easily make it into paste, so I prefer to use knife. So just cut it into small pieces. Like this. And it looks like a paste, but here and there, you still see some chunky parts. Back to the vegetable. You can see the vegetables are wet. The salt brought out the moisture and it's wilted. I want to remove all the excess water, so take some, like this, and squeeze it really well to remove all the excess moisture. Like this, and into another large bowl. It's all squeezed. Let's add shrimp, pork, and all the seasonings into the bowl. The shrimp, pork, some salt and pepper, it's about 1 teaspoon. Potato starch, sesame oil, 1 tablespoon each grated garlic and grated ginger. And squeeze the meat until it's all combined. You can do this aggressively. It looks good, so let's scrape all the filling from the hands. Now I'm going to wrap the gyoza. Before you start, put 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the cold frying pan. The heat is off, it's cold. Prepare a bowl of water. This is a glue to stick the wrapper together. Gyoza wrapper on your non-dominant hand. Put half a spoon of filling in the middle. Wet the edge. Fold it, but don't seal it yet. It's open like a taco. And there are 2 rims. 1 rim, 2 rims. And using this rim closer to you, you're making 5 pleats. But this rim away from you stays flat. So pinch here, tuck, press with the back rim. Pinch, tuck, press with the back rim. Pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press, pinch, tuck, press. Like this. So this side is flat, but this side there are 5 pleats here. And using this first gyoza, you spread out the oil all over the frying pan. Let me show you one more time. Wrapper on your non-dominant hand, half a spoon filling in the middle. With the edge, fold and make 5 pleats. Pinch, tuck, press. 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 Flat on this side, 5 pleats on the other side. My frying pan is full, but I still have some gyoza wrapper and gyoza filling. So I'm just going to keep wrapping and put them on this tray with plastic film. I wrapped all the filling and I have gyoza in the frying pan and some extra gyoza in the tray. I'm not going to cook these extra today, so I'm going to cover it with a plastic film and put it into the freezer. You can cook them just like I'm doing today, frozen. Don't defrost it before you cook it. Or you can put them into a soup to make wonton kind of soup. Now it's time to cook them. And I want to steam cook them first, so let's add some water to steam cook. The heat is still off and add some water. The water is about 1/3 of the height of gyoza. Let's put the lid on. Turn the heat on and cook it over medium heat for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, so let's see how it looks inside. Now you can see gyoza wrapper is almost translucent. You can see the filling inside. Just keep cooking with the lid off this time to cook off all the water. I cooked it with the lid off for about 3 minutes and you can see there is no water left in the frying pan. Now I'm adding some vegetable oil to pan fry the bottom. It's been pan fried for 2 minutes, so I'm going to sneak peek the bottom to check the color. It looks good, so let's turn the heat off. Prepare a plate a little smaller than the frying pan and put it on top of gyoza upside down. Like this. Flip it over as you press down the plate against the frying pan. Ready? Ta-da! This is how standard Japanese combo meal looks like. Other than rice, 1 soup, 3 dishes, and one of them is main dish. Gyoza is the main dish, so it goes here. And I would have plain rice and vegetable miso soup here and here. For the side dishes, I usually have some sort of pickles for one of them. I'm sorry, I don't have video for that, but let's put it here. For the other side dish, gyoza is kind of heavy, so I want to have something light. So I would go for a cucumber salad. Time for the tasting. You can make the dipping sauce as complicated as you like, but my favorite dipping sauce is very simple. It's just soy sauce and vinegar, 1-to-1 with a little bit of chili oil. So let's put that into the dipping sauce and いただきます。Because I didn't make the shrimp into paste, it still has the texture and it's delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!